Amazon bathroom find. This 2-in-1 gadget is a trash can and toilet brush all in one, and its slim design makes it perfect for small spaces. Last is this over-the-tank hanging toilet roll holder that holds 3 extra rolls. Genius Amazon gift ideas. This may look like a credit card, but it's actually a portable phone charger to charge all of your devices on the go. This is the world's thinnest tripod, which magnetically attaches to your phone, then folds back down to less than half an inch. Last is this portable Bluetooth speaker, which is as small as an egg and is completely waterproof. This Hollywood Vanity mirror is touchscreen and has 3 different light settings, a detachable 10x mirror, but the coolest part is it's actually Bluetooth, so you can blast your favorite tunes while you're getting ready, and it will also charge your phone.